This ain't going to be a long video. I've got 2 hams. I'm going to bake in the oven at 350. 15 minutes per pound. In here is a can of northern beans and our green beans we growed in our garden, and bacon grease, and 10 teaspoons of chicken broth, and 10 cups of water, and salt and pepper. Now we're going to let them cook in the Instant Pot for an hour, and they should be done. And they're on saute mode right now, getting the water hot. And then I'm going to put the lid on, put it on sealing, not venting, and then let it high pressure for 1 hour. And meanwhile, we're going to be cooking our ham, both of them. And we paid $14 for 2 hams. That was 99 cents a pound. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you ain't already. And push the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.